So the unboxing video was done a couple days ago. Now it's time to see what the Moto G Plus is all about. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And on today's video, we're gonna take a look at the Moto G Plus. Starting off with the display, because I think it's the most important part of a smartphone. You look at it all the time. Now the Moto G Plus has a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus Max Vision display coming in at 400 pixels per inch, which it's absolutely sharp and crisp, no issues with clarity whatsoever. The LCD display is good, but would have loved to see an OLED panel instead, maybe next year in the Moto G9. It does have a teardrop design, as you can see right there, and it does get pretty bright, so visibility in bright sunlight is no issue. Now let's jump over to YouTube real quick and take a quick look at a video sample here in 4K. Now while we watch this video sample, let's take a listen and hear the quality and sound that comes out of this device. Your ears do not deceive you. You have dual stereo speakers in the Moto G Plus, and they are loud and crisp. Paired up with Dolby Audio, you can tune them to your liking. Head over to Dolby Audio settings, and there you're presented with a couple of choices. So the way we do that is you pull down the notification shade. You'll see the setting right there, Dolby. Press and hold, and there are the choices. Smart audio. So what this does is Dolby tweaks your audio setting depending on the content you're watching and the type of music you're listening to. And you have a music and movie profile, so you can go into and manually adjust the equalizer to your preference. Now performance has been snappy and quick, but does lag once in a while, but not too much where it hinders the experience of the Moto G Plus. It has 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of internal storage, which can be expanded via micro SD card. Out of the box, the system uses 13 gigs of storage, leaving you with roughly 50 gigs of storage left. It is running Android 9 with the November 1st security patch. Hopefully it makes the jump to Android 10 very soon. If we go over to security, you'll see that it has the November 1st security patch. While in security, we do have several methods of unlocking this device and protecting it. We do have face unlock, but it's not as secure as the iPhone or the Pixel 4's face unlock. But if you want a fast way to unlock your Moto G Plus, is there for you. Of course, we have the classic rear-mounted fingerprint reader in the back. No in-display fingerprint reader this time around. Hopefully we'll see it in the Moto G9 Plus as well. And we also have a smart unlock feature as well, with on-body detection, trusted places, and trusted device. Now moving on to digital well-being and parental controls. Now digital well-being is where you can look at your usage stats and what you've been doing on your phone, and it kind of gives you a breakdown on how long you've been staring and what you've been doing on your phone. And if you need to take a break and disconnect from the world, you can. But within this same setting, we do have parental controls. Now if this device was bought for a child, this is where you can set restrictions and other limits so you can cater their usage to your needs. Now moving on forward to Moto Experience and Utilities, this is where you'll find Moto Actions. Now Moto Actions let you control your phone with simple and useful gestures, and you have a slew of them here, but we won't get into them right now. And backing out of that setting there, in this setting we also have Moto Display. Now what Moto Display does, it optimizes how you interact with your display on your Moto G Plus. We do have peak display and intended competitive display. Leave a like and a comment if you want to see a more in-depth look into these two features for a future video. Now heading over to the camera. Now in the camera app, we do have a couple of modes. We have portrait, cutout, spot color, night vision, which is basically your night mode. We have cinematograph, panorama, and live filters. Now for video, we do have slow motion, time lapse, and AR stickers. We also have a wide angle action cam mode, which gives you the look of a GoPro or action camera. That's why it's called action cam. And we can record up to 4K 30 frames per second when recording with the normal wide angle camera lens, and 1080p 60 frames per second when using the action cam video mode. Hopping over into the keyboard, because a lot of people like to see the keyboard and what it has to offer. Now we do have the stock Google keyboard as our native keyboard app for this device. Now this keyboard I absolutely love and enjoy using because you have the ability to use emojis. Look at all these emojis in here. Stickers. Look at all these stickers, and you can go into the web and download some more in their sticker store or whatever, and GIFs, all within the app, which is absolutely great. I love keyboards that give you the option to do all that within the app without you leaving to an external website or using another app. There you have it, guys. This is just a quick overview and walkthrough of the Moto G Plus software and features. I am a couple days into using this device, and my experience so far has been a pleasant one. I'm currently on Mint Mobile. I do have a Mint Mobile SIM card in this device. Been using it with no issues whatsoever. I have fast LTE service and call reception has been great. I'm looking forward into using the Moto G Plus more and giving you guys a more in-depth review in the near future. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions regarding the Moto G Plus, leave them in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps me out when you do subscribe and like these videos. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.